Hey guys, so I just checked in here in Calawag Mountain Resort, and there's a room available, shared CR, for $799, and then I'm gonna be availing the river tubing and the Kawa bath later on. So I'm just gonna put my backpack in the room. We're just preparing. So luckily they're still available, because when I texted them this morning, they were not able to confirm. Luckily there's available. So this is just the first day of my adventure, favorite adventure here in Antique. So please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Watch this video until the end for a shout out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Share peace and love.
Tubing po nakuha is extreme. 2 kilometers po siya. Yung start po ninyo dyan sa baba, tapos baba po kayo ng 2 kilometers, tapos sakay po kayo ng multika po dito sa Resort.
This is it.
Right.
Ayos. Ang ulalim.
Okay na ba, sir?
Okay lang.
Buwa na sana kasi.
Wala man, hindi man ako tamaan ng bato.
Kasi hindi na masyadong
Gusto ko talaga ng ano. Dahog na ato. Pwede mo lang boy.
Kapit yan, kapit yan. Tama ako.
Ha? Apat. Ha? Nakapal sa current ay. breakfast by the river. So if you una kaya tubig actually. Nagkaon ko kamahaw. Tanawan mo. Tara. Ay, man to. It's already ako na rin sa river. May mga tables na nakasarap. So later on today, magkawa basta kay ako nang ipalata akong self na baboy. Pero for now, as they say, kaog maayo before ihawon. Mga piko dire sa Calawag Mountain Resort. There's actually more to enjoy here in Calawag Mountain Resort, like spa, trekking. Then I think there's also a nearby waterfalls here that you can enjoy. But it costs, every activity costs like that. So I only had the extreme water tubing yesterday, which is from the previous clips, and the kawa bath today. So hopefully I'm gonna enjoy the kawa bath because it should be rejuvenating. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy the coffee here by the river. So what's gonna happen here is basically just gonna dip into this big kawa with a lot of ingredients and some kind of different different stuff here, and just gonna be dipping and enjoying the hot water for 30 minutes. That costs around 399 pesos. Yeah, let's enjoy the kawa bath experience right now here in Calawag Mountain View here in Calawag Mountain Resort in Antique. Share peace and love. Anong kasing dahon ng kuya? Talagaw? May effects din yan. Herbal effects. Ay, okay naman. Cheers, guys! Kuya mo, ito gawa sa bugno kayo ang beer. Oh my god, boy! Ano to? Beer number 1 down. Woo! Okay. Grabe. Grabe sa to. Hindi ko ginainom man yung beer. Hindi nakaligo raman. Whoa! Murag ko na eh. May mahal akong beer. Marang palahubog. Wow. Rejuvenating yun eh. Okay. Last. Niloto na CJ. Latan day. Kung ano na yung feeling na yun, basta makuhan. Latan ka. What's wrong with my GoPro? There seems to be a water inside the lens. I don't know what happened, but share peace and love. Enjoying the baths so far. So far, so good with the beautiful view right over there. Oh yes, and a bottle of San Mig Light in this very morning. It's so palahubog. Katulad sa kong likod eh. Actually, katulad man siya sa likod eh. Sa kaha siguro ni. Sa kawa. Pwede naman, siya init eh. Kuya, more water please. Don't try this at home, kids. Tuglaw! Tuglaw! Di na ako pagmang swing na yun. Hey guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short trip in Calawag Mountain Resort in Antique. I should be heading to Boracay today, and that's gonna be the next video. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Share peace and love. Today's shout out goes to... Hi!